judges. It's so good to see you here. My name is Gagana. And I'm a sophomore from Washington State.
My name is Arth, and I'm a sophomore from Fremont, California.
And today we are so excited to present to you Lock-In.
When I was in ninth grade, I was completely overwhelmed by hard classes. Coming fresh from middle school where I didn't do a lot of work, high school was a nightmare. Every time I had a test, I would procrastinate and review my notes at the last minute, wondering why I couldn't memorize a script or remember everything on the test. I stayed up until 3 a.m. and I thought that I just wasn't cut out for these hard classes. That's when my brother taught me about effective study methods. It took me a while to figure out which study methods were the best for me, but through trial and error, I found the most effective study methods that helped me maintain good grades while living a healthy life.
Now, this is not just a problem faced by one high schooler. According to the American Psychological Association, 80 to 95% of high school and college students procrastinate. This is why our team came together and decided to create Lock-In. Lock-In is an AI-based study app that allows students to bridge the gap between figuring out how to study and getting the time and using those methods effectively.
So what does lock-in mean? Lock-in is kind of a Gen Z term that they say when they're really focused or committed to doing something. Think of it like a pilot that's locked in onto a target. Full attention, no distractions.
So now what actually is Lock-In? Lock-In is a startup that uses AI to develop optimal study patterns. So based on the user, they can do multiple techniques, including timed study sessions, personalized goal settings, and the ultimate goal is to remove procrastination from its root.
Our target market is all students, so this includes students from middle school to college students and beyond. Our unique value proposition is that Lock-In uses the power of AI to transform student productivity by using Lock-In Reels, which mirror social media reels with educational content, targeted goal settings, which are personalized milestones that keep students motivated and track progress effectively. And Lock-In also has enhanced focus and reduced procrastination through time sessions and AI nudges to combat distractions and help students achieve maximum efficiency.
Now, a little bit more on Lock-In Reels. So apart from the AI-based technology, our team implemented a unique feature called Lock-In Reels. As you know, the number one place many students go when they procrastinate is social media. Over 90% of high school and college students are active on social media, scrolling on websites such as Instagram and TikTok. Lock-In Reels is an innovative technology that mimics this scrolling behavior, which is actually scientifically proven to appeal to the youth and also people in general. So these questions will include videos and questions related to topics that the student is learning, ensuring that they're always working towards their goal.
Our competitors are Quizlet, Notion, and Study Smarter, but we outpace them with features like dynamic study techniques that adapt to the user, easy setup and usage, and constant developments and personalization towards the user. So what are some things that we need to do to make this a reality? So first, we need to build algorithms to personalize study patterns and provide real-time feedback, which creates a visually appealing, user-friendly mobile and web app.
For goals and objectives, our main goal at Lock-In is to extinguish the problem of procrastination from its root. Along the way, we want to enhance our AI capabilities and establish Lock-In as a leading AI-powered productivity tool.
We're using a multi-channel approach to reach students where they are. Our mobile and web app will be the primary platform where we actually provide our services. Social media and influencer marketing will drive more students to our platforms. Educational partnerships will expand adoption in schools. And we've asked our respective schools if they would be interested in Lock-In, but we didn't receive a response. So we reached out to our district itself, and we're currently waiting for a response for their interest. And additionally, we're going to use targeted ads and email marketing to help retain and re-engage users. And this strategy ensures rapid growth, strong retention, and a scalable user base.
So you might be wondering what we've already done to start implementing this. So as of our last presentation, we had a working website with all our features, including Lock-In Reels. And since then, we've had some additional technologies, including we're working on the prototype for the chatbot and the AI. So for example, if I were to ask, how does Lock-In use AI? It'll give me some features, like the ones that we've talked about, including study patterns, lock-in reels, which it mentions down here, and AI algorithms. So this is what we're currently working on. We're trying to get our AI to be as accurate as possible.
So already we've sent out a Google form to a large group of middle to college school students, and over 75% of people rated our app a 4+ on a 1 through 5-star scale. Some features our potential customers wanted to see are that we are currently implementing are a procrastination preventer, daily reminders of classes and homework, reminders to stay on task, and study schedules.
So for revenue streams, we have in-app purchases for an ad-free experience. So we have this $5 monthly subscription where users can remove ads, enhancing their focus. If not, we will be displaying non-intrusive ads within the app to generate consistent revenue. Additionally, we will have sponsorships aligning with our mission to support student brands and educational organizations. So for our size of market, our TAM is 200+ million students because this includes all middle, high school, and of course, college students. Our SAM, which are high school students that are immediately ready to begin, is 6+ million people. And our SOM, which is about our expected initial user count, is about 1 million+ people. So if only 5% of our expected SOM purchased our $5 per month revenue remove all ads feature, this is an annual revenue of almost $3 million. Our expected costs along the way are about 45% towards product development, 33% towards marketing and growth, 11% and 11% each for operational costs and user testing and expansion. And our future path is that through lock-in, we want to create a world where students are able to study and ace their tests with minimal effort and while being able to live a healthy social life. We hope that the future for lock-in includes enhanced AI personalization, new features for academic support, and effective data to partner with schools and educators. And of course, a road to the global markets so that we can continue to help millions of students lock in.
Lock in, unlock your best self. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions?